Yeah, this the real one, baby.
I'm telling you,
Chi-Town stand up. Southside, Southside, we gon' set this party off right. Westside, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do it. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. She had hair so long that it looked like weave. Then she cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female, addicted to retail as well.
So day number 3. It's just a picture.
Kitana wins. Flawless victory.
It's crazy, the sand and huge chunks of ice. There's one just there, looks like a big Nessie. Oh, it's it. Water almost got me. Be a bit cold if I got wet. Okay, climb on top of that. Gorgeous out here. All the glaciers. Oh, it's obviously we were supposed to go up north today, but because we haven't, we wouldn't have got to see these. Drove past it all last night. Obviously some of the things that you're missing in the dark. See all the seals just chilling on the side there. Don't know how many times I can say this on this trip, but wow, it's just unreal. It's beautiful. So all my mates chilling over there. I better not go and lie down in case they think I'm one of them. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I don't know how many times I can keep saying that, to be honest.
You know why? Thug 'em, fuck 'em, love 'em, leave 'em, cause I don't fucking need 'em. Take 'em out the hood, keep 'em looking good, but I don't fucking feed 'em. First time they fuss, I'm breezing. Talking about what's the reasons. I'm a pimp in every sense of the word, bitch. Better trust and believe 'em. In the cut where I keep 'em, till I need a nut, till I need to be the guts, then it's beep beep, and I'm picking them up, let 'em play with the dick in the truck. Many chicks wanna put chicken fist in cup, divorce 'em and split his bucks. Just because you got good head, I'ma break bread so you can be living it up. Shit, I pass with nothing, y'all be frontin'. Me give my heart to a woman, not for nothing, never happen. I'll be forever macking, hard-coded assassins. I got no passion, I got no patience, and I hate waiting. Go get your ass in and let's ride. Check 'em out now. And let's ride. Check 'em out now. We doing. Big Ten, we spending cheese. Check them out now. Big Ten, on BLM.
Oh, you're fucking funny.
Mike, watch this. Falling down.
Oh no! Quick, pull them up.
So, don't know if you can hear anything here. Going for a nice little walk. Oh fuck! In Selfoss. Cold?
Huh?
Oh.
Dickhead.
Nice little streets and houses and stuff.
Oh, if I rub that one there, you can rub that one there.
Yeah. And we both could have been stuck. It's only -3, so it's not too bad. It's a nice house, is it? Nice little walk out.